So since it's officially school time, the kids actually started today with the exception of Augie. I thought I would come on and give you all a little haul of everything I purchased them. I was gifted from someone who I may or may not be talking to a couple $1,000s to go ahead and take care of my school shopping. Okay, so let's get into what we got for the boys. So I called myself starting the I was going to say Christmas shopping. That's next. But I called myself starting the back to school shopping early. But the whole time I was really late because I was just doing it little by little, thinking that I had so much time, and then it just caught me. So a lot of things that I wanted to get them, I did not get them yet. So I don't know, they may be like a little part 2 or something eventually, I don't know. But let me show y'all what I got them now. And I'm gonna just go through bag and bag. I don't even care what belongs to who. I'm gonna just go through, okay? So let's start with, let's do this bag right here. It don't even matter. So this is a little Spider-Man set. It's so cute. Sweatpants. Got Spider-Man on the front of them, and then on the back of this sweatshirt, they got like this whole little Spider-Man decor going on the back as well. How much? Let me give y'all some prices. How much was this? This was the piece that I got from Walmart. They don't have the price on there for some reason, but that's where I got it from. Wally's. And then this cute little shirt right here. Augie said he's wearing this on his first day. His first day is actually Wednesday. And today is August 24th, Monday, August 24th. So this was the first day back for Ace and Aiden, but Augie don't go back till Wednesday. You know how they do like their little staggered entrance situation for the kindergartners, so that's what he's doing. So this shirt was so cute. I picked this out for him, and it got the little backpack on the back. I think it only cost like $6.99, or like it was just dirt cheap. Then he got these jeans. Augie better gonna be a fly little somebody. He said he wearing this too. This is back to school. First day back outfit. Augie wears a 5 in jeans, and I don't know, I feel like these was like $15. I don't know why the prices don't be on Walmart, stuff like that. Now, let me see. Yeah, these was $15.98. The backpack tee was $6.98, and then I got him a bunch of these little tees that be on the table for like $3.98 because they go with a pair of his tennis shoes. So I got him the blue because the shoes are blue, white, silver, and black. So I got him every color except for black. I actually went back yesterday to go get the black one, but they didn't have them in his size. So I'm gonna have to try a different Walmart. But typically I don't buy white for my boys, but I just say, you know what, I'm gonna give it one try, one last try with Augie. Then I got this shirt right here, another Spider-Man Spectacular. Tie-dye. Got a little something on there about New York or whatever. Y'all know about Spider-Man. And then these both are Ace's shirts. He picked this one out himself, and I got him that one. Some Mario situation. So, yeah. And Ace is a 10, 12 and stuff. And again, the tags ain't on these shirts, so I can't even tell y'all what the price on these were. But. Oh, and I also got Ace a shirt like Augie Bear. Ace had a shirt like this last year, but it was a size 8, and those 8s are a little tight on him, so I got him some new ones, and a new one in a 10, 12. Because this one also go with like a pair of shoes that he got as well. So this bag right here, the Vans bag, it did have shoes in there, but Aiden wore them to school today. That's what they look like, though. And I'm gonna post a picture of what his outfit looked like for today. Because I didn't get a chance to take a picture of his clothes before he got dressed, because I was gone taking Ace to school while he was still getting dressed. Because you know, their time difference in going to school is a major difference. But yeah. So those are a pair of his. And then these little jeans was on sale for $16. Came up to $17.40. Just on the straight leg. They had this other really cute acid wash color that I wanted, but they didn't have them in his size. So, like I said, we got time to go and find more stuff. Alright, so let's go through, before we do the shoes, we go another pair of jeans. These are Aiden's. My man is in a 29 by 30 now. Can you believe it? I remember when he was still wearing size 14 jeans in the boys section. And these are $49.99, but I don't think they was really $49.99. I feel like they was like on sale. Oh, they were $29. Yeah, $29.99 on sale. Because Old Navy do have a sale going on for like 40% off everything, or like off the jeans or something. I don't remember. But they definitely got like sales. On to some shoesies. I thought these little Sauconys was so cute. When I saw them, I was like, oh, my baby definitely getting these. These are hot. They look so good. I just love these. Ain't these just so cute for a little boy? And like I said, the shirts, they just all kind of blend in with this, you know. That's why one thing that I take a tip for y'all, like if you guys still haven't started school yet, because I know like New York haven't started school yet, get your shoes first. Like I bought all their shoes first, even though I still got to get 81 more pair. Well, all three of them getting one more pair, but we'll move on to the details of Ace later, because he don't, I didn't buy him tennis shoes. I got him some Crocs. But yeah, I still need a black shoe for Augie Bear, and Aiden wanted a pair of New Balance. So then we have these Sambas. These are Ainads. We got these. He like a lot of low top shoes these days, I'm saying. Last year he wanted, was it last year he wanted Jordans? I got him them, and now he just getting like a bunch of like random low tops. So, what are these called? These are, oh, these just some Sambas. And then these are probably like my favorite shoes of all, because they fit the personality. Like, put in the comment, put in the chat who you think, put in the comments who do you think these are for. Just real quick. Timestamp now and let me know who you think these are for. They fit his personality so much, and they are for AC Poo. I thought these were so cute. First, he gave me the hardest time. He was like, I want tennis shoes like everybody else. I don't want to get no dumb, stupid Crocs, blah, 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 blah. So, he ended up giving in and saying, okay, yeah, he liked these. And then he wanted like the Lego little gibbet things on them. But I bought him a bunch of Spider-Man ones for his last pair, and he lost. He kept losing them. I found 4 of them, but one of them was still missing. So, yeah, he got these little kitties. And, alright, so these is just socks. Of course, they already open because Ace wore his socks to school today, but this was the, it's like a double pack. So one side was like mostly black, like all black, and then they had the ones with the color on the back and on the heel and toe area. Today he wore the blue ones. He got orange. It's a red pair back here. It's a 10 pair, and it costs just $10 at Walmart. And I haven't found socks for Augie yet because he moved up to big boy medium, and I walked in and said, who the heck is that? It's a TV. They didn't have those in his size. So I'm gonna have to try a different Walmart. But Aiden got these, and I like that these are like the Wiccan ones. I never heard of steel toe socks before, but they are Wiccan, and I definitely made sure I got Ace of Wiccan ones because like he's like a sweater, you know. So you got those. Now in the H&M bag, these cute little Spider-Man shoes for Augie Bear, and they was only $12.99 on sale, guys. Can y'all believe the steals? I got this stuff, like the H&M bag. I had got like, I think that's probably was like some of the first stuff that I had purchased, thinking I was just taking my time. I was ahead. I think it was the steel beaners that it was like $29.99 initially. Thinking I was ahead and really ended up being way behind. Then I got him this little tan shirt to go with it. That's what I'm saying. Like, get the shoes. Always get all your shoes first and then go get your clothes, because that's how you're going to make sure that you get stuff that actually go with the shoe. And it was like so much easier to shop in that order. So, yeah, girls and guys, this is a size 4 to 6. This shirt is from H&M again, and it was only $9.99. So yeah, Augie got a little sweater. This is so cute. I feel like Ada had a sweater like this when he was little. It was either him or somebody. It was so cute though. And this was $19.99. Like I said, Augie's doing 4 to 6 now. Of course, this is not gonna be worn until, you know, it starts to like cool down. But this morning it was like chilly for real though when I left out. And I mean, it could go with even these if you really wanted to, you know. This shirt right here, this Aiden shirt. He been buying his clothes big lately. It's a medium. I'm pretty sure Aiden wears a small in the men's section. Okay, I was making sure that it said Panama. But yeah, this is cute. This was $12.99 at H&M. I got Ace another pair of Crocs. This was a fight in the Croc store for these, because the ones I wanted him to get, he wouldn't get those. He refused. He insists he had to have these light blue ones. I wanted him to get like the royal blue ones. But he insisted, and it was just a whole shebang going on about that. So I gave in because I felt like he was going to get them dirty. But I said, you know what, I'm going to give them to him, because since I'm not allowing him to wear tennis shoes right now, until he could get his act together and stop destroying them with liquids and fluids the way he's been doing, it's just all Crocs, because I could, no matter what he do to these, I could always just get soap and water, brush them out, rinse them off, and they are fine. You know, the insoles aren't damaged, they're not holding odor. It's just a rubber shoe. So he was like, can I at least get some slides too then? Gosh, Crocs every day, all day. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get him some Crocs. I mean, some slides as well. Why did my button keep unbuttoning? Okay. So in this little bag, oh, this was a like a little school box, pencil box for Augie Bear. He picked this out all by himself, like a big boy. And it kind of go with his book bag too, so it was a good buy. And Ace's book bag came with a pencil box and like 5. It was a set of 6 things, so the book bag and a whole lot of other odds and ends that came with it. And Augie Bears didn't come with all of that, so he had the pencil box for his, or like the pencil pouch, and he ended up buying his before he even got the book bag, so it kind of just like worked itself out. And then this was a shirt for Ace. It'd be so rough shopping with him because he'll argue about his clothes. Like he knows what he want to wear, what he don't want to wear. He's gonna argue, like for real, argue down about his clothes. Ace is like my fashion kid. Like he really cares what he wears. So these are some jeans that we got Aiden. These things was $30. Like $30 is not a lot to me for jeans, but for jeans from Walmart, I feel like they were a lot. But we ended up getting 2 pairs. This pair, and I think the pair he wore today. And then he also had, we also went to City Trends, but this bag is empty. I don't know where the hoodie is. I don't know if he stuffed it in his book bag or whatever, because he definitely didn't have it on when leaving out today. But we went to City Trends. It was so hilarious. The clothes there was so bad, at least for in the men's section. I don't know if the women's section had good things. I did see one cute Nike set that I was like considering for August, but I'll probably just go back and get it. Because it was like, it wasn't stuff that he could wear now, you know? It was just more so like stuff that we want to have for later on once it begins to get chilly or whatever. So we looking for jeans because he like, well, his friend from school had on these jeans that he liked, and he told him that he got them from City Trends. So I'm like, okay, well, I don't really shop at City Trends. I've never really seen nothing in there that I like, but they could be like one of them little spots where, you know, they not really like popping, but they do have like a little hidden gem there, here and there. So I'm like, okay, I took them to City Trends, went in there. All them jeans had medallions, sparkles, things on them that just should not have been there. I'm like, what, man, why are these in the men's section? Maybe if those was in the girls section and like, you know, somebody liked the dress like that and got them, you know, it just gave more like feminine. So I'm like, oh no, let's get the heck out of here. And he happened to see this like cream hoodie that said Chosen or something. It was cute. It fits his style. And he got it in a large. I'm like, why are you getting a large when you wear a small? But when he put it on, when we got home, he put it on, it fit kind of normal because Aiden has like wide shoulders. So I guess, I don't know, like that stuff don't, because of the big broad shoulders, a lot of the things that I think will look big on him actually ends up fitting because he might not carry it in the body, but the shoulders can carry it. So yeah, that was a cute fit. If I can find it or whatever, I'll post a little picture of it in there because I'm pretty sure he may have taken it to school. Y'all know how these teenagers be. 95 degrees hoodies, 107 degrees hoodies. So this is Augie Bear's book bag. One of the requirements is to have your own headphones, and this is his little headphone. I think this is so cute how it had bluey on the side. Aces didn't have it, they were just plain red. And the lunch bag was a nice size. I felt like Ace lunch bag was too small. It comes with a little keychain, the book bag, the lunchbox, and the headphones. And I don't know what the receipt is, but I want to say these were like $20. So he got this one, and I'll post a little clip of what Ace wore to school today. And again, this is what Aiden wore to school today. So that's gonna wrap up this haul, and I may or may not be back with a part 2. It just depends on how I feel. Just depends on how I feel. So yeah, that's gonna be it. I feel like the stuff that we got was so cute. Comment down below in the chat and let me know what was your favorite piece. What do you think is a cute little look, and who do you like it for? And you know, just send me some comments and let me know what y'all think about the haul. So that's gonna do it for now, guys, and I will catch you all in the next video. Later, alligators.